has entered the international spotlight with a series of consequential developments ranging from military deployments to public health victories and political maneuvers. The government of Uganda has confirmed the deployment of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, that's UPDF, to Israel, a decision that has stirred debate both domestically and internationally. Officials framed the move as part of Uganda's broader commitment to global security cooperation. However, critics argue that the deployment risks entangling Uganda in one of the world's most protracted and volatile conflicts. The deployment comes at a time when the United Nations has declared that Israel committed acts of genocide in Gaza, citing widespread civilian casualties, destruction of infrastructure, and systemic targeting of non-combatants. The declaration has intensified global scrutiny of Israel's military actions and raised questions about the role of countries, including Uganda, that align themselves with Israel in the conflict. The hard-spoken politician Dr. Odonga reacted sharply to Uganda's decision. In a widely shared statement, he argued that the deployment should have undergone broader public consultation. Otto warned that Uganda risked attracting more enemies by involving itself in what he described as a religious and land war unlikely to end in this lifetime. His remarks underscore the growing unease among sections of Ugandan society about the implications of siding with Israel at such a contentious moment. In a separate development, Uganda received commendation from the United States Embassy in Kampala, which declared the country Ebola-free following its swift and decisive response to outbreaks originating from the Democratic Republic of Congo. The U.S. praised Uganda's preparedness and containment measures, noting that Washington remains the largest financial contributor to regional Ebola response efforts. This declaration not only boosts Uganda's international reputation, but also reassures citizens and neighboring states of the country's health security. The lifting of restrictions tied to Uganda's Ebola status has opened new political opportunities. Former UN diplomat Dr. Otunnu, who has long harbored ambitions of vying for the position of United Nations Secretary General, now sees his team free to advance their campaign. Analysts suggest that Uganda's improved health record strengthens Otunnu's credibility as a candidate from a country that has demonstrated resilience in crisis management. His camp is expected to intensify lobbying efforts, seeking suppression of earlier doubts about Uganda's readiness to produce a global leader. Uganda's decision actions highlight the nation's dual identity. A country deeply engaged in national security debate while simultaneously earning praise for its health achievements. The UPDF deployment to Israel places Uganda at the heart of a decisive geopolitical conflict, with the Ebola-free declaration elevates its standing in global health diplomacy. Meanwhile, figures like Dr. Odonga and Dr. Olara ensure that Uganda's political voices remain central to both domestic and international conversations. Now, Uganda's trajectory suggests a nation balancing risk and opportunity. Its choices will continue to reverberate across Africa and beyond.